Good morning, this is Martos Motorsports, lot number 4372A. Is an apple. Here we have ourselves a 1997 Polaris SLT 780 watercraft. It's got a locked up engine, reverse is good, the MFD gauge is good, the cables are all good, electronics are all good, and so on. We're parting this machine out. If you need parts off this machine, give Martos Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968 or at martosmotorsports.com. We'll do a quick walk around. It's a fairly clean freshwater boat. The hull's in decent shape. Comes with registration. There's the reverse, the nozzle end of it. Seat handle on the back appears to be okay. MFD gauge does work, it's super clean, and the numbers are very readable. It's got nice, good looking teal mirrors. Front storage compartment. Underneath the seat, we have ourselves a blue 780 Fuji motor. Again, the engine's locked up, but we'll tear it down, sell cylinders, cases, crank if they're good, so on. We inspect all our parts, clean all of our parts before we sell them. We ship parts worldwide, all over the world, every day. We take all forms of payment, so if you're interested, give us a call, 218-844-4968. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.